Good day, students. Today we are considering a topic titled Equilibrium of Bodies in a Liquid. And the principle of flotation states that an object will float in a fluid, e.g., liquid or gas, when the upthrust exerted upon it by the fluid in which it floats is equal to the weight of the body. E.g., you can see it in a swimmer. When they swim, the upthrust of the water is equal to the weight of the body. That's why the swimmer will be able to swim. But when the weight is not equal to the upthrust, the swimmer will sink. Is that okay? Now, the upthrust from the water makes him to float because it balances his weight. Let's see the example on the board. A piece of cup density 0.25 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube floats in a liquid of density of this value. Now let's write the parameters. The density of the cork, let's represent rho C to be density of the cork, and it's equals to 0.25 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. And the density of the liquid equals density of the liquid equals 1.25 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. And we have to look for the fraction of the cork that will be submerged. What fraction of the cork will be immersed? Okay, now let's say V1 equals total volume of the cork, because V1 meter cube. Okay, let's let the total, let the total of, since we are representing it here, let's put it here. V1 equals total volume of the cork. V2 equals volume of each, that is cork that will be submerged. Now, since we have that, and you know that density equals mass over volume, and the mass now equals density, when you cross multiply, density times volume. Okay, when the cork floats, the weight of the cork is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. And we are going to use this formula to analyze them. Is that okay? That's mass of the cork equals mass of the liquid displaced. Now we are going to use these parameters to represent it, which is density of the cork, is that okay, multiplied by the volume, that V1, equals to density of the liquid multiplied by V2. Now let's replace them with the value 0.25 times 10 to the power 3 times V1 equals density of the liquid 1.25 times 10 to the power 3 times V2. Now take note that V2 will come up because it's the one that of it that will be submerged, will be up. Is that okay? Because we are told that fraction of the cork, what fraction of the cork will be immersed. Okay, that means that this V2 will be up, the volume of the cork will be down. Divided by V1, divided by V1. This one cancel. The half is 0.25 times 10 to the power 3 equals 1.25 times 10 to the power 3 V2 over V1. Divide both sides by 1.25 times 10 to the power 3. Divide by 1.25 times 10 to the power 3. Cancel each other. We have V2 over V1 equals 0.25 times 10 to the power 3 over 1.25 times 10 to the power 3. This cancel this. You are left with 0.25 over 1.25. When you divide that, you have, okay, let's shift. When you shift 1, 2, you shift 1, 2. You have 25 over 125. V2 over V1 equals 25 over 125. Because I shifted 2 times, the decimal disappeared. Is that okay? If you have calculator, if you press it, you get the same thing. 5 here, 5. 5 here, 2. 5 here, 25, 5. 5 here, 1. 5 here, 5, which is 0.2. Okay, that's the fraction. That's the fraction of the cork that will be marked. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.